Today we will learn how to register a new mobile phone on the MDMS system. First we open our browser and open MDMS's official website. You can check if your mobile device is already registered or not. For a new mobile phone, click on Individual Registration. After completing the new registration, fill in the mobile device details, then click Valid IMEI and continue. Enter your email address, then verify the email and continue. Now we need to fill in your personal information. Fill in only the correct information. Check all of the information you entered before submitting your form to the MDMS system. After submission, check your form, verify it and submit it. You will receive an email after verification is complete. Thank you for watching. Do like, comments and subscribe.